This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix your PlayStation 5 internet connection failed issues. First, let's start with the basics. A simple restart of your PlayStation 5 console and your internet router can often resolve temporary glitches. Also, it's a good idea to check the PlayStation Network status page online to see if there are any ongoing service outages affecting everyone. If you're using a wired connection, ensure your Ethernet cable is securely plugged in at both ends. For Wi-Fi, try moving your console closer to your router to improve signal strength. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5's network settings. You can manually set up your internet connection, which sometimes helps. Consider changing your DNS settings to public servers, such as Google's, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Remember to test your internet connection after making any adjustments to ensure they've had a positive effect. For a more stable connection, you might also explore setting up a static IP address for your console. Now, for some more advanced troubleshooting steps. It's crucial to ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. If you're using any VPN or proxy services, try disabling them temporarily, as they can sometimes interfere with your PlayStation 5's connection. You might also need to open specific network ports on your router for PlayStation Network. As a last resort, a factory reset of your router can sometimes clear persistent issues, but remember to back up your settings first. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing issues, it might be time to seek external help. For problems related to your home network or internet service, your internet service provider is the best point of contact. If you suspect the issue is with your console itself, PlayStation support can provide specialized assistance. Remember to regularly check for PlayStation 5 system software updates, as these often include connectivity improvements. Maintaining a stable internet connection is key for an uninterrupted gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.